can't get out and walk.
Oh, look at that big crab right there. Big crab. See it? Right here.
Crab!
Listen. There's something in the bushes right there. Hear it?
Yeah, get away.
Listen.
Get away.
I wonder what that is.
Oh,
Oh, look at the big crab right there. Film it right there by my hand. Show it. Okay. Oh, it sounds like pigs.
No, get away from them. What if they're the bad pigs? You don't know if they can swim.
I've seen them frogs on it, or those fire-looking things on the trees.
Listen, there's something big back there.
Get away from it.
Oh yeah.
What if
I thought I heard.
pigs?
It sounds like pigs.
What if they're the killer pigs?
There's no killer pigs there.
Yes, there is. The bad pigs that everybody's trying to kill.
Yeah, sounds like a pig.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there are oysters, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Still filming?
Yeah. We're almost to the opening.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Wow, another crab. They're all over the mud.
Mm-hmm. Filming ahead of us?
Yeah. Oh, like stand up. All right, we turning
Okay,
around?
push the button.
Huh?
Push the button. Stop it.